Hello everyone. So we are from the Citrix Lifecycle Management team from the Core Infrastructure Group. We'll be presenting the CLM update service, which is our latest new service, which is launched during the Synergy this year. So starting with, we'll begin with an overview of lifecycle management and then go into the details of the update service and end with a demo. So lifecycle management is a service that is available on the Citrix Cloud. And what is unique about this service is that it is available for our customers for leveraging their existing deployments on-premise as well as for their new environments on the cloud. Now let's look at a traditional XenApp deployment. Today in such deployments, the expectation here is we leave it to our customers and partners to manage their deployments and do their deployments and manage them effectively. And with lifecycle management, Citrix provides a suite of services that enable our customers to deploy better as well as effectively manage their Citrix environment. And how do we do that? So using automated deployments, using Citrix certified blueprints, monitoring and managing of these deployments, ability to scale up and scale down your environments based on your usage, auto updates of your environments to make sure they are up to date with the latest available fixes, as well as ability to migrate from older versions to new version. And that's what we call lifecycle management. And the focus today will be on the update service. More on this from Kripa.
Thanks, Anupa. So let's take a look at how XenDesktop updates work as of today with customers. So when customers face an issue with their XenDesktop environment, that is when they look to hotfix their environment, and they go and search for hotfixes, and they are presented with a myriad of hotfixes owing to many XenDesktop versions that we have, owing to component versions, owing to OS types, owing to OS versions. So it's a non-trivial process of choosing the right hotfix. And once they have the right hotfix in place, they need to manually back up their on-prem environment and then manually install the hotfix update, which is a complex process. So this is where we would like to change this reactive approach with the help of the CLM update service, wherein CLM does a proactive analysis of the customer's environment and picks out the hotfixes that are missing in his environment, and it will automatically install it in the environment. Let's also walk through the flow. So customer on-prem XenDesktop environments can be easily onboarded onto CLM, and CLM will discover the various XenDesktop components and the versions of the components present in the customer's site, and it will proactively list all the missing hotfixes from that site, and the customer then has the flexibility to schedule the update for a future time or immediately. And we also provide the provision to back up the customer's environment and execute pre and post install scripts along with the hotfix install, and we perform an end-to-end automated hotfix install for the customer's site. And we end with a very optimal and stable environment for the customer. Let's have a look at the demo. So the customer logs on to lifecycle.cloud.com and accesses Citrix Lifecycle Management. The first step would be to add a site in which the customer would onboard his existing XenDesktop site onto CLM. And he would download an agent file which would act as the connector between the XenDesktop site and CLM. And he would go on to enter his XenDesktop delivery controller credentials in order to onboard his site to CLM. And CLM then discovers the various components present in the customer's site and collects data from CIS with respect to the hotfixes that are missing in the customer's site. And it clearly lists out all the missing hotfixes on a component basis, per component basis, and the customer can schedule the missing hotfixes, and he can choose to immediately install the hotfix or schedule it for a future time. And we also provide the facility of backing up the customer's environment in case he would like to switch back, and execute pre and post install scripts. And yes, that's about it from the customer side. So they're good with the latest hotfixes. CLM creates a task to automate the entire process of the pre-install script, the hotfix, and hotfix installation and the post-install script. CLM downloads the hotfix onto the customer's site and automatically installs it here.